today. I'm going to a car meet today. And we're gonna give out kids. Damn, I don't know what I'm right back. Today, going to a car meet today. I'm gonna give out toy cars to kids. All that. Meet up with my boy Lalo. Right now it's 7:03, I think. I don't know. It's sometime. But I'm gonna see y'all when I get dressed. Alright, y'all. About to head out right now. We like 200 cars deep right now. 200 cars deep. We the last car though. But they put the real niggas in the back though.
Look, she said pull that shit.
Have at it, man. Have at it. And we're off. Thumping. We gotta get this bitch thumping, boy. We supposed to be lit, boy. Why they be not thumping? You got subs? You got subs for a reason. Put them to good use. Put them to good use, Lalo. I'm trying to hear that bill. Ah, that's real. She real one. She waited for you on some nonchalant shit. Her shit low-key hard. Home for the holidays. Space side. Pal. Yeah. Yeah. Turn this bitch up. Turn this bitch up. Yeah. Yeah. Fella gonna pop that pussy. Oh hell nah. This guy's a nah bro. You get down like that, bro. Real convenient. Look at Trollat right there at the light.
Where?
You don't see right off?
Fake ass cop.
They look like school police. It's Sherman. Nah, yeah. I'm gonna be honest with you. I got a fart.
Hey, I got the air fresheners. Your shitty booty ass. Don't shit yourself now.
I'm trying. Nah, it's time, bitch. Nah, it's time, bitch. So deep right now, you would have thought I was in Lalo. 0.5. 0.5. 0.5.
Like I didn't just piss myself. I'm over here drinking more shit.
So, bro, that's why I ain't drink too much, bro.
We're only 3 miles away though.
Teddy's gonna make you toe. Stable than I'm over. Stable than I'm over. Jesus.
That shit not gonna fit, bro.
Come on, my guy. My guy. Come on, my guy. All in their way with it.
Watch that side.
Right down, bro. This big ass propane shit, boy. Let's flip his shit. My bad. I'm tweaking. Me. I'm tweaking. Yeah, fuck the police. Last time my chick I was ballin'. Last time my chick I was flexin'. They be like, this nigga is pressure. They roll on me, bitch.
Or how you moved over. Everybody came over like a good boy and girl.